Hello guys, welcome to the Python project series. For today's project I'm going to show you how we can create a random password generator from Python. So for this tutorial we utilize the various methods and functions of the random library. So without any further delay, let's begin. So firstly I'm going to create a file .py. Okay, so as I said earlier, I'm going to write here some specifications for the file. Password generator that contains two uppercase, two lowercase, two punctuations, and two numbers. So we're going to do this with the help of random library. So first let's import that library into our file. So as I said earlier, it contains two uppercase. So let's create uppercase characters first. I'm going to create a variable up1 for the first uppercase character. So we have random.randint function. This function comes along with the random library. So for this one we're going to have to see the ASCII table, because we need to generate a random integer between 65 and 90, so as to generate a random character, ASCII character. So we're going to specify the lower limit and upper limit. And now what this does is it generates a random character between 65 and 90. To generate a random ASCII character, we're going to write chr here. So this one, what this chr does, it corresponds the integer that generated by this function and generates a ASCII character. So let's see how this actually works. Up1. I'm just going to print password here, PASS. Okay, let's see if this actually works. It generated Q. So let's see. Yes, it is generating random ASCII character now. So we got that going on for us. Let's copy this, paste this, and we got another character, and our password is gonna look something like up2. Okay, so we got two characters now, two uppercase characters. So now lowercase characters go similar. We got this function random.randint, and now let's check the ASCII table for lowercase. Lowercase character ranges from 97 to upper limit of 122. So let's keep that here. 97 is the lower point and 122 is the upper limit. So that's how we generate the lowercase characters. So let's concatenate low1 and we got low2. Let's see. So we got two uppercase and two random lowercase characters. So we got already 4 characters. Now we have 4 characters in. We generate more 4 characters. So the next is two punctuations. I'm gonna pong1. Let's see. So punctuation ranges from 33 to 47, as you can see in the ASCII table here. So chr random.randint, I forgot the limits, 33, 47, right? Yes, 33, 47, similar to earlier. Control V. Okay, now we got 6 characters. we got punctuation 1 and punctuation 2nd. Let's see. Yes, now we have 2 uppercase characters, 2 lowercase characters, and 2 punctuations already. So now just 2 characters out. So let's generate the numbers. For numbers, there is no need to give a CHR, because random.randint, what it actually does, it selects the number that we give the uppercase and upper limit and lower limit. So if we give 0 and 9, it is going to randomly select a number from 0 and 9, and it is assigned to the num1 variable. Similarly for num2 variable. So sorry, I messed up. num1, num2. Let's see. So random. Yes. Oh. Okay, so it cannot concatenate string with integer, so we're gonna have to do explicit type conversion. For that, we just write here string. So what this does is it explicitly converts the integer to string, and we can concatenate it with other strings without any difficulties. Okay, now we got our 8 characters, but every time we run this, we get all in the same pattern. That is, we got uppercase first, then lowercase, and we got punctuations, and we got numbers. So let's say if we want to shuffle this characters in the string, we're gonna write another function, not a function, but we need to utilize another function from the random library. So the function goes like function, let's see, let's give this one password 1, create another variable password 2, and we initialize an empty string dot join method. We're gonna use random library instance here, and we got a function called sample. So what this function actually does is it takes all the characters from password 1, okay, and it is gonna shuffle them, basically shuffle them, and it is going to just concatenate it to the empty string that I initialized here because of the join function. And this empty string, it joins the empty string, and when the string gets full, it's gonna be assigned to the password 2 variable. Let's see. We're gonna print password 2 here. Let's see if this actually works. Okay, so we got our random password generator up and running. So this is how you actually create a random password generator with Python. It's less than 20 lines of code, so it is simple and easy to understand. Thank you for checking this video.